Kung naghahanap ka ng expensive smelling fresh na perfume, well, this one is for you. This is our club ng Endosense and I assure you, napakabango nito. Napaka-expensive ng amoy. Alright, let's spray it out. Ralph's Club is woody lavender na may pagka-soapy, earthy feeling. Ang opening niya is you really get that lavender ultimately na may pagka-sage, and then, yeah, napakabango, parang ang bagong ligo na napakabango, napaka-expensive ng feeling. Parang ang corporate guy na talagang solid na solid, parang alam mo yung lahat. Ganon ang aura ng Ralph's Club. Dry down neto, napaka-solid. Vetiver na may pagka-soapy, earthy vibes, talaga solid na solid. If ever gusto mong i-gatekeep to sa mga kaibigan mo, talagang eto, worth it to i-gatekeep. Pero ako sasabihin ko kasi napakabango talaga neto para sa akin. And by the way, this is a very underrated fragrance, which is yung Ralph's Club ng Endosense. Napakabango, soapy feeling, para kang expensive, formal looking or smelling guy. Hop, wait a minute, huwag ka mag-expect na maalingasaw or loud ito si Ralph's Club because this is not considered as loud, pero performing siya and talagang parang gusto mo lang maging amoy mabango para sa sarili mo. And talagang gusto mong parang iangat yung pamilya mo sa buhay dahil sa amoy nito. Ganon yung aura niya, men. Napakabangis, napakabango, performing, you get around 6-7 hours or para sa akin 6 hours easily. Napakabangis nito, men, performing, napakabango, and yeah. Kung gusto mo mag-amoy mayaman, go for our club netong Endosense. I assure you, magiging amoy mabango ka dito, and very, very safe siyang i-blind buy. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong, and talagang, yeah, hindi siya sobrang loud na talagang mahihilo yung mga kasama mo. No. This one is very, very good. Go for our club ng Endosense. Let's go!